Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find and remove duplicate data in Excel using different methods. Here I have a sample dataset containing ID, name, department, and salary. You can see that some records are repeated, which means we have duplicate data. First, I will show you how to find duplicates using conditional formatting. I select the entire dataset. Then I go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose Duplicate Values. Now Excel automatically highlights the duplicate entries. This makes it very easy to identify repeated data. If needed, we can manually review the highlighted rows and delete duplicate records one by one. This method is useful when you want full control over your data. Now I will show you the second method, which is remove duplicates. I select the data again, go to the Data tab, and click on Remove Duplicates. Here I select all columns so Excel checks the complete row. Then I click OK. Excel removes the duplicate records and shows a message telling how many duplicates were removed. Now we are left with only unique data. Next, I will show you a third method using the COUNTIF function. This method is useful when working with a primary key like ID. I type the formula. Then I drag the formula down. COUNTIF is used to count how many times a specific value appears in a range. Here, I will use it on the ID column because ID works as a primary key. This function checks each ID and tells us how many times it is repeated in the dataset. Now Excel shows how many times each ID appears in the dataset. If the count is greater than 1, it means that ID is duplicated. Now I will apply a filter. I filter the values where the count is greater than 1. This helps me quickly identify duplicate records. After identifying them, I can review and delete the duplicate rows easily. So these are the three methods to find and remove duplicates in Excel. You can use conditional formatting to highlight duplicates, remove duplicates to delete them automatically, or COUNTIF to analyze duplicates based on a specific key like ID. Always make sure to check your data before deleting duplicates to avoid losing important information. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more helpful Excel videos.